This hairstyle looks just like boho braids, you guys, but it's actually called miracle knots. And I use crochet extensions to achieve this hairstyle in just a few hours. So if you're a lover of boho braids or boa braids, but you don't want to sit for long hours, then this hairstyle is perfect for you. So please do keep on watching to see how I achieve this hairstyle. I'm not here to waste your time, but first I want you to see the braiding pattern I'm going to be using to install this miracle knots hairstyle, which has gone viral everywhere. This hairstyle has gone viral and all the girlies are trying it out, so I also want to try it out with you guys. I'm going to start with mini braids at the back. I know you might be thinking I'm going to be doing mini braids throughout my hair before I start installing the miracle knots, but no, that's not what I did. I did miracle braids just on this first row and then at the sides of my ears. Then for the rest of my hair, I did cornrows. So just stay tuned and see how this turns out. Okay, if you are new here, hello, I'm Alberta, but you can just simply call me Albie. I am a hair and beauty content creator, okay, and I focus mainly on protective hairstyles, wigs, and natural hairstyles because I'm a natural hair girly. As you can see from my hair, I'm a natural hair girly. I have type 4 natural hair, so I like creating natural hairstyles because yeah, I'm good with my hair, so I like creating natural hairstyles. If this sounds like something you love, then please do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned for all the hairstyles that I have for you. For the section of hair I'm leaving in the front, it's also going to be for mini braids. So yeah, part of my hair I braided into cornrows and some parts of my hair I braided into mini braids. I believe this method saves a lot of time, although doing mini braids throughout also saves time, but the only thing is the mini braids is time consuming. I'm not going to lie, doing mini braids throughout your hair is time consuming, so I prefer to do cornrows at some parts and then mini braids at some other parts, and it turned out perfectly. In case this is your first time hearing of miracle knots, you've not come across miracle knots, you've not seen any video on miracle knots, any tutorial on how to do miracle knots, well, miracle knots is a crochet hairstyle. Okay, it's a crochet hairstyle that gives the illusion of boho braids, but instead of braiding the hair like the way we do boho braids, you take the extensions, you do knotless braids, then you attach braiding extensions and then also attach the boho curls. No, miracle knots is different. We use crochet extensions, feather crochet extensions to be precise. I've seen people use normal crochet extensions to also achieve it, and it turned out beautiful, but I will be using feather crochet extensions for mine. So you use the feather crochet extensions and then you do like a flat knot. Okay, this hairstyle is trending. It's trending everywhere. I believe the reason it's trending is because it's very easy to do. If you're a beginner to hair, if you don't know how to do your hair, then this hairstyle is for you. So for the cornrow method, yeah, if you're a beginner and you can't do cornrows, just do mini braids throughout your hair. I believe mini braids is easy. So you see where I'm braiding the cornrows, you can just skip the cornrows and still do mini braids on that part as well. Okay, so after doing the cornrows, I just went ahead to crochet the cornrows in, and to even secure it more, I went in with a thread and needle to further secure it more so that it doesn't come out. You decide to use my method, then your braiding pattern should look like this. Okay, half cornrows, half mini braids. This is the extensions I'm using. It's old crochet extensions. Okay, it's from one of the brands that I worked with earlier this year, and you also do need a crochet needle. One important tool you need for this hairstyle is a crochet needle. So you guys will see what I'm doing. I am passing the crochet needle through the braids, not at the root, not at the root, not close to my scalp. Just take it a bit far from your scalp, because this is a low tension hairstyle, so you don't want to manipulate your hair. It's a low manipulation hairstyle, so you just pass it through, secure it, then it should look like this. When securing it, make sure the feather part of the crochet extension, the feather part is where the thread is, this side, make sure that is where you are knotting. Make sure that is where you are creating the knot. Do not create the knot with the human hair extensions, the curly extension. No, if you create the knot with that, your hair is going to unravel at a point. It's not going to be secured properly. So that is why we are securing it where the thread is. Okay, where the feather is, that is where you secure it. Now for the tip, what you want to do is to secure that part as well, and also to make sure your natural hair is not showing. We want to give the illusion, the natural illusion. We want to make this hairstyle look as natural as possible. So what we are going to do is to separate it and then get 2 strands just like this. After getting it, we just braid it. We braid it so we are done braiding our natural hair. Once we are done securing our natural hair, we leave the curls alone. That's just it. It's that simple, okay? And trust me, it is secured. Okay, it is secured. This method secures the hair. It's not going to come out. I've had this hairstyle for about a week now, and none of the crochet extensions came off. Now, to crochet the cornrows too, what you are going to do is to pass the crochet needle through the cornrows. Always pass the crochet needle through the braids, okay, through the mini braids, through the cornrows. Do not pass it through your scalp. Please, our scalps are very sensitive, so we want to avoid that. You see, and this is how you create the knot. Create the knot using the thready part. And look at that. Beautiful, gorgeous. I'm showing you how to crochet the cornrows again. Pass it through the crochet needle. Pass it through the cornrows, and then you create your knots. You create your flat knot. This hairstyle is so beautiful to do. It's very, very pretty. So the reason I did mini braids at the ends and then at the sides of my ears, because so that when I'm holding it, when I want to like hold it in a bun or hold it into a ponytail, it gives that natural looking boho braids, Bora braids effects. Do you guys understand? Because if it's all cornrows and I want to hold my hair up in a ponytail, you are going to be seeing the cornrows. But we don't want that. We want to avoid that. So yeah, that is why I use this braiding pattern for this. I've seen people also use this braiding pattern as well. I'm not the first person to use this braiding pattern. So I'm done with the back now, and I want to move straight to the front. The plan is to finish with the front, and when I have enough crochet extensions left, I'll fill the back. So talking about having enough crochet extensions left, that's because I mentioned in the beginning of this video that I used old feather crochet extensions for today's tutorial. So I believe it was 2 packs. Yeah, it's 2 packs. Yeah, they sent 2 packs. And yeah, we collaborated earlier this year, and I kept the extensions because it's human hair, and human hair extensions are reusable. So I kept it. I believe this is my 3rd or 4th time reusing this particular crochet extensions, and it's still in a good state. So yeah, we are going to keep using it and using it and using it again. Now to the front section. As you guys can see, I've already done the mini braids for the front section as well. So I did 7 rows on each side of my face. On the left side I did 7, on the right side I did 7. And for the braids, you guys will see how I did it whilst watching. So for the first 2 rows, 1, 2, I did 2 braids, and then I started doing 3 as we progressed. So yeah, that's basically because I wanted the crochet extensions to be enough. And if you know me, you know I love my braids to be very, very full. I don't want to see potholes in my braids. So yeah, that's basically it. And you see the hair is coming together. It's looking good already. So yeah, if you do have any question for me concerning this hairstyle or any hairstyle at all that you have in mind, please do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section, and I will respond to every comment. I also want to talk to you guys about the takedown process of this hairstyle. It's very easy to take down, and I will be filming a whole detailed tutorial on how to take down miracle knot. Yes, I know you guys would love to see how to take it down, but it's actually very simple. Just unbraid the mini braids or unbraid the cornrows, and the miracle knots, the crochet extensions, will just fall off. But yeah, I do have a detailed tutorial on how to do that, which I will be uploading after this. So when you see this, you guys are going to see the takedown process as well the following week. That's next week, God willing. You see the takedown process on how to take down miracle knots. Luckily for me, I had some crochet extensions left, so I just went back to fill in the back section, and this is what the hair looks like. So beautiful. So yeah, after doing that, I needed to activate the curls, and for activating the curls, all you need is leave-in conditioner and then curl keeper. I don't really use mousse when activating curls, but if you have soft mousse, you can use that, but don't use hard mousse. It's going to make it harden up, okay? But you can use soft mousse to help reduce the frizz and also to define the curls. And this is the final look. I absolutely love this hairstyle. So this entire install took me about 2 hours because during the mini braids, I told you it takes quite some time to do the mini braids, but for the installation didn't take time at all. So I believe about 2 hours, and I would say this is way faster than the traditional boho braids, because if I was doing boho braids in this size, honey, that would take me about 8 to 9 hours. That would take me about 8 to 9 hours. And look, I'm moving this hair around freely because it's lightweight, it's natural, and it's perfect if you want a protective style without the stress. Okay, this hairstyle is literally perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really supports my channel. Please do not forget to like. It really supports my channel. And let me know in the comments section if you would try this miracle knots hairstyle, or if you want more fast protective hairstyles, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Peace.